it is, my fave part of the show, Drift Into. Because from the color of Key West to the quiet of Nantucket, we love drifting to these amazing destinations and, of course, taking you with us. Today we tie up at Edgartown on Martha's Vineyard, and it never disappoints. Pull into Edgartown and pull into a classic New England seaport village in what we consider to be one of Martha's Vineyard's most beautiful and alluring locations. The island's crown jewel is the Harbor View Hotel. It is a must-visit whenever our destination is Edgartown. The Harbor View Hotel has been thoroughly refurbished and redesigned. The guest rooms are amazing and the perfect place to get away and simply relax. And of course, the views, spectacular and never-ending. If it's just the two of you or family and friends, the Harbor View just feels so right. Surrounded by wonderful marshes and beaches, it's a place that makes you feel like you're worlds away from life's hustle and bustle with every spectacular view. And delectable is the word for the new restaurants offering divine and delicious dining options and wonderful places to relax with a favorite person, good friends, and your favorite spirit. Tour the island by bike, take a short walk to Edgartown's amazing shops, or take a dive off the iconic Jaws Bridge. Relax on the Harbor View's veranda, the magical entrance to the grandeur of this spectacular place. Drift into the Harbor View Hotel in the heart of Martha's Vineyard and drift into the ultimate Martha's Vineyard getaway. Ah, the Vineyard, or the Rock as some call it. You can bet it's on every boater's destination list. There's more Drift Into adventures and destinations at driftsociably.com, and as always on our social platforms at Drift Sociably.